Namaskaram. In this video, I'm going to talk about the rules for collecting and storing the seeds for seed therapy. Most of the people, they must be thinking why to collect, why to store. You can just go to a store and buy seeds. That's it. But I wouldn't recommend such seeds because you see, suppose you're going to a shop which sell the seeds, and mostly those seeds they are used for like planting. But the thing is, before that, before storing those seeds are usually treated with minerals. Those seeds are usually treated with pesticides. So such seeds can be heavy in toxins. So when you use such seeds for the seed therapy, they can harm also. So I won't recommend buying seed from the seed stores directly. Or also I won't recommend you to collect the seeds from such a place which is having lot of noise, lot of pollution, because such seeds can be high in metals. And you see, seeds also they have a frequency, right? So when there is a lot of noise, so their frequency is also not good. You must have felt when you are in lot of noise, lot of crowd, you don't feel that easy. But when you are in nature, you feel like more yourself. You feel yourself high because that time your frequencies, your vibrations are higher, because uh, you will be in tune with the nature. So try to find the seeds which are away from railways, from large cities, from more toxins, more polluted areas. The seeds, just try to find the plants which are more near to the nature, which are more in the calm places. There you can gather your seeds. Otherwise, mm, there must be nowadays there are many practitioners who are doing this joke therapy. So those who are like advanced practitioners, the seed therapy practitioners, also you can be in touch with them. You can take their guidance at how are they collecting their seeds, because most of the people who are doing the seed therapy, who are getting amazing results, they are conscious about the fact that where they are gathering their seeds, because they don't want to gather the seeds with the high metals. Or also I won't recommend you to collect the seeds which don't seem healthy, which are which are not full ripe, or which you seems like spoiled. Don't gather such seeds. Also, we do not store the seeds of citrus fruits. Citrus fruit seeds, usually what you do when you extract them, you just use them, you don't store them. You can just extract the citrus fruit seeds and you can use them directly. You don't need to store them basically. So when you are storing the seeds, then be careful. Don't let the direct sunlight be on them. You can store the seeds on the room temperature in the paper bags. That will be better. If you just in a natural matter, like, or in the cotton cloth, you can keep it, or in the paper bag. Keep away from water also. It won't be good. So when you are storing your seeds, you should be careful, and don't store them at a place where you feel that energies are very negative, or so you have to be careful about this thing also. And when in past days, in ancient times, because seed therapy is not some new therapy, we might be presenting it in a new way here. You might be thinking that this is some new technology coming out. It's not like this. Earlier also, there are references of having seed therapy. In many civilizations also, seeds are used for healing, because seed is basically how say, it's life, it's like it contains life. So this cannot be possible that this seed therapy is just newly known. So when people, they used to collect the seeds in earlier times, they used to take it ethically also. When they used to gather it, they used to have a prayer also. They used to do a prayer also from the trees, asking them for blessings, for the healings also, because trees also have angels. So you can just ask angel of trees. You can just pray the tree for the healing. For the you can also ask the permission of the tree to get to gather the seeds. And sometimes people used to do have a people used to have a practice that they used to keep a coin or some bread there after taking the seeds. It was like a ransom. It was, but it was like a way to show the gratitude, because when you're taking something from the nature, you should show some gratitude. Also, be careful not to extract seeds from very young plants, because it can destroy the young plants. So it's good to gather your seeds from the nature and be grateful for this, for having the seeds. Thank you.